What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glacian Alva and in this video I will be sharing with you top 4 mistakes that most of us do while doing intermittent fasting. Now intermittent fasting has been known for fat loss and also it has been known for improving our productivity throughout the day. But if our plan is not set properly, it can make us fatter than leaner. Stay tuned so that you do not make such mistakes. Before getting into the video, if you are new to the channel or if you are watching my videos and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload such informative content. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Mistake number 1 is not being prepared. Now intermittent fasting goes against society's normal eating pattern, and if you are participating into intermittent fasting daily, wherein you would be having your meals somewhere around 1 p.m. in the afternoon and your last meal would be around somewhere 8 or 9 p.m. in the evening, and if you're doing a 9 to 5 job just like me, it can be a bit of challenging, but then it needs a bit of preparation. So instead of having your breakfast at 8 a.m. in the morning, you can carry your breakfast and you can have it at either 12 or 1 p.m. whenever your fasting window ends, and the same goes for the evening meal. But if your meals are not prepared, you might end up eating wrong food choices, or else you might end up cooking your food when it is time to eat, resulting into having your meals after the 8-hour window. I usually prepare my meals a night prior, which includes boiling rice, vegetables, chicken breast, etc. Oats I usually prepare in the morning because I add fruits to it. So do not do this mistake and prepare your meals in advance. So you can consider this as a life tip, wherein you know what you are going to eat for the next day and you are prepared. The same goes for your normal life also, wherein you can plan your tasks, your clothes are ironed. This will help you to have a powerful start to the next day and you know what you are going to do. And there is a good saying, guys, if we fail to plan, then we are planning to fail. So plan your meals in advance. This will be a small start to a bigger change in life. So without fail, plan your meals. Mistake number 2, not eating enough healthy foods. This is a really basic point, but most of us miss on this point. Now when we are in a fasted state, our stomach shrinks, and when we are closer to the fasting window coming to an end, we get cravings to eat something so desperately that as soon as the fast is completed, we run and grab a chocolate, a biscuit, or any junk food for that matter, thinking that now our fast is completed and it is time to eat. So during this time, our insulin is very sensitive, and whatever we give to our body, it is going to absorb the nutrients from it and it is going to supply into the bloodstream. So if we eat junk food, it is not going to benefit us. It is advisable to have healthy food so that our body can absorb the essential nutrients from the food and it can supply it into the bloodstreams, and that can be used for the wear and tear of our cells, and in turn it will help us to boost the immunity also. Or else what is the point of even fasting and then eating junk foods? And if we are going to eat junk foods, that is going to fill our stomach up, and then there will be no place left for eating vegetables or any healthy food. So it is advisable to have your healthy foods or your meals prepared in advance so that you know what you are going to eat and you will not indulge in eating junk foods. So instead of having junk foods once your fast is completed, you can have healthy foods, which includes eating an egg with brown bread, or avocados, or oats mixed with fruits and protein. Now I have made a video in the past which will help you guys to prepare a quick and an easy breakfast or an easy meal in no time, and I'm going to link it down in the description box below or somewhere here in the cards. You can check that video after completing this video. And also do not forget to add vegetables in your daily meals. It is very important. Mistake number 3, adding creamers. Most of us are used to drinking coffee or tea during our office hours, and there are people who cannot start their day without a cup of tea or coffee. So if you guys are going to add sugar, milk or creamers to your tea or coffee, it is going to put you out of of the fast, as it is going to spike our insulin levels, and our main goal here is to keep our insulin levels down and let our body tap into the stored fat as energy. And if we are going to supply our body with these things, our body is ultra smart to make use of these sugar, milk or creamers for energy, and it is not going to use the stored fat as energy. So adding milk, sugar and creamers to your tea or coffee will put you out of the fast. I had also made a video in the past which will help you to prevent your hunger, and these drinks are not going to put you out of the fast. So I will link the video somewhere down in the description box below and also in the cards above, so you can check that video after completing this video. Mistake number 4, consuming BCAA. This is for people who consume BCAA, that is branch chain amino acids, when they work out, when they are in a fasted state. Now, there was a research done in 2011 on a group of men, and a baseline tests were done wherein their amino acid levels and their insulin levels were checked before going into the fast. And once they were in a fasted state, 7 subsequent tests were done, and it was found that their insulin and amino acid levels were low. The same tests were done on the same group of men after a week, wherein first their baseline test was done before getting into the fast, and once they were in a fasted state, they were given 5 grams of BCAA, and the same 7 subsequent tests were done, and it was found that their insulin levels had spiked. So consuming BCAA when you are in a fasted state will throw you out of the fasting window. So do not consume BCAA when you are in a fasted state. So guys, if you have learned something from this video, make sure you go and gently hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and share this video with your friends and family members so that we all benefit out of this video. And I'm done for this video, so I will talk to you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, much love, God bless you all.